Hello boys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you in science class.
Mr. I am Faisal Fahd.
Hello Faisal, how are you?
I am fine.
That's great. Hello Ahmed.
السلام عليكم أستاذ أنا فهد حامد.
Hello Fahad, wa alaikum assalam.
السلام عليكم أستاذ.
Hello Faris.
Blinks.
Hello, open your books, page 116.
السلام عليكم بالسلام بالتصالح مدون.
Hello,
No.
Saleh. Open your books, page 116. Okay, on this page we have the discovery of our
السلام عليكم أستاذ.
Wa alaikum assalam, Michelle. Research the life and discoveries of scientists who explored the solar system and stars. The big idea is space technology has improved over the last 50 years. So here you can see the sun. This is a model and this is
السلام عليكم أستاذ أنا رياض.
hello Riaz. This is project for you. You will make this and send it to me, okay? Draw or make this practically also and send it to me. There is
Can I
sun,
print it?
not print. Do it by your hands.
Print it.
Not print.
I have another image like that.
Okay, no problem. You can take any image, but the sequence will be same, so no problem. But draw, make it like project, okay? So whoever has, the man who will make the best one, he will be star of the week. And he will get marks in the exams also. So number 1, Mercury, which is nearest, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stars. There is Pluto, but that is now in not in the planet
Outer space.
Yes, that is outer in the space. So that's why we count 8. Okay, the sun is a star and others are planet because planets do not have their own light, but sun has its own light. Any star has its own light. So that's why we call it star. The sun, then we have 8 planets in our solar system with the sequence you will make. Then you should memorize also the names: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Next page, which is page number 117, we have.
يا مستر أستاذ.
Yes, Faisal. أيوة Faisal.
في سؤال ما حلينا.
Okay, what page?
160.
116. This one.
Yes. Yes.
ايوه انا عارف خلاص. Okay, what you need I am just giving you. Okay, online what we need we are doing. I sent you video also concerning that points. Okay, those are same for that, no problem.
Okay.
Is there any evidence to prove that the earth is spherical? The earth is spherical. Yes, because there are many images, so we can write yes, there are hundreds of images from space. There are hundreds of images and videos also, but we write here images. Okay, it's enough. There are hundreds of images and videos to prove that from space. Okay, is the evidence reliable? يعني هذا كويس? Yes, the evidence is reliable because there are a lot of images, so much evidence from different sources showing that the earth is spherical.
مستر 17 117 الحين يحل هذه الواجب هذا. اوكي.
Okay, Omar, Abdullah Omar. Yes, it is reliable. Yes, the evidence is reliable. Reliable because there are images from different resources or sources. Okay, yes, it is reliable because there are images from different resources, not only one. There are different sources who gave these images. They shot these images and sent to the earth. So that's why we can say it is reliable. Yani haza sah, that the earth is spherical. Okay. Now, Abdullah Umar, open your mic and read this.
Telescopes. Telescopes are now much
Telescopes,
more.
not telescope. Telescopes.
Telescopes are now much more efficient than
Galileo's telescope.
Galileo's telescope. The Hubble telescope can see a distance of several billion light years.
Yeah.
Space travels has also provided evidence that the Earth is spiral. There are hundreds
Spherical.
of images. Spherical.
Spherical like a ball.
Yes. Images and video clips of the Earth from space.
Yes. Thank you. Malik, open your mic and read. وافي ويحيى موجود؟ اوكي نايف. read.
نايف موجود.
اوكي.
كيف مستر؟
ايوه read يا مالك.
Telescopes are now used more efficient.
Much more efficient.
But مستر
Much more efficient.
much more efficient
Then
that
Galileo was a scientist who said this. Galileo's telescope.
the Hubble telescope can see a distance of several billion light years.
Thank you, Malik. Faris, open your mic and read. Faris, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, read second part. Number 1.
Okay. Space travel has also provided
Evidence.
evidence that the Earth is
Spherical. Spherical.
spherical. There are
Hundreds.
hundreds of image and videos clips of the Earth from space.
Okay. Muhammad Al Hadi, read first part.
Yes, Mister.
First part, please.
Space travel has also provided evidence that the Earth is spherical. There are hundreds of images
videos.
and video clips of the Earth from space.
Thank you. Riyaz.
I finished.
Mustafa, are you there?
Mr.
Mustafa, Majood? Okay. Yes, Riyaz. Read first part. Aywa, telescopes.
أقرأ.
Aywa, telescope.
Telescope are new
New or now?
mesh more
Much more efficient
than
Galileo's.
Galileo's telescope.
Yes.
The
Hubble
telescope can see a distinct
distance.
distance of several
Yes.
billion light
Years.
years.
Faisal Abdullah Khalf. Faisal Abdullah, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, read second part, please.
Space travel has also provided events that
Evidence.
the Earth is
Spherical.
There are hundreds of image and videos clips of the Earth from space.
Okay, this is spherical. This is evidence. Hundreds of images and video clips, not videos clips. Okay. Faisal Fahad. اقرأ أول واحد. Read first one. أول واحد.
طيب. Mister, I want to read.
Okay, Fahad, just 1 minute.
More efficient
Efficient.
that Galileo's telescope. The Hubble telescope can see
A
at
distance
a distance of several billion link you
light years. Okay. Fahad, read second part. Fahad Hamid. Fahad Hamid, where are you? Okay, now we will move towards next page, which is page number 118. Review for the unit. Okay, question number 1. The topic is the sun appears to move, but it doesn't. What is the name given to how the earth revolves or turns? This is the question. How the earth revolves or turns. Okay. The earth spins on on its axis. Axis is the way where the earth revolves. Okay, it spins on its axis. Then the earth moves in two ways. At the same time, it turns on its axis while moving around the, yes, who will tell me? Moving around the, yes, Ahmed.
Sun.
Sun, ya salam. Moving around the sun. The earth is spinning on the axis and moving around the sun. I can model movement of the sun, moon and earth. Okay, how we can model? This is the sun. This is the axis of, okay, let me make it. This is sun. Okay, here we have earth, which is smaller than moon, earth. Then we have one more way, which is for the moon. And moon is smaller than the earth, so we make it smaller. This is how they are moving. The earth is moving on its axis and the moon is also moving its own way. And so that we can take this now.
Hello, Mr. Zia.
Hello, Mustafa, how are you? I understand how the sun, how the earth moves around the sun. Yes, we did it. How long does it take the earth to spin or turn on its axis? This is the topic.
24 hours.
Why does it get dark at night? Thank you, Mustafa. Why does it? Because we live, because at that time where we live is facing away from the sun.
مستر ميم باتصال كان.
Yes.
The moves come around the dark.
Because at that time we are away from the sun. Okay. Where we are living, that space, that place is away from the sun. Why do we cast hardly any shadow in the middle of the day? Because that time is when the sun or the sun appears directly overhead. The sun appears directly overhead. Because the sun is overhead, so the shadow is almost zero. We can see, but very smallest. So then we have, I know how the earth spins on its axis. I told you now. I know that it takes 24 hours. The earth makes one complete spin. Mustafa told us, okay, I can make observations about changes that take place on the day. Yes, you can see your shadow is becoming smaller and bigger. Next one. How does the earth orbit the sun? How
Mr.
long does it take for the Earth to orbit the sun? Yes, Mustafa.
It's 356, or directly it's 365 and a half.
Yeah. So we can say 1 year or 365 days. Okay, that is the time. The Earth is titled on. The Earth is tilted on its axis. Tilted means, okay, I will show you. This is straight, right? Straight. Tilted means a little bit like this. Little bit like this. Okay, it is tilted. Tilted on its axis, and for some of the time during the year, northern hemisphere will be tilted away from the sun. How does this affect the seasons? This is the question. How does it affects to the seasons? It gives us different seasons, right? So we can write okay, right here it gives us seasons such as summer and winter. Yes, Ahmed, you have any question? Okay. So it gives us seasons such as summer and winter. So on this page, we have some questions. The topic was the sun appears to move, but it doesn't. Yani we see sun is moving, but actually it doesn't move. The earth is moving. The earth spins on its axis. What is axis? Axis in an imaginary line, as we talked about this. It is imaginary line between the earth and the earth revolves. Yes. Then the earth spins, the earth revolves around the sun on its way. Then I can model the movement. We made it. Then we have, I know that how earth moves around the sun. Okay. How long does it take to the earth to spin on its axis? It takes
I can live.
no. At that time we are away from the sun, because if you see, masalan, this part is day and this part is night. This part which is facing the sun, this is day and this is night. Okay.
Mister, I can't hear you. Mister? Mister Zia? Mister?
Yes, Mustafa, wait, please, wait. Yes, Ahad Bagi didn't finish. Okay, the sun appears directly overhead. That's
finish.
I said who did not finish. لو انت ما في خلص كلام. Okay. So how much time it takes to revolve around the sun? It takes 1 year or 365 days from here, then again come here. This takes 1 year, and around this axis 24 hours. We don't have shadow in the midday because the sun appears directly overhead. This was missed. Okay, then what happens when the north sphere is not facing the sun? That happens north hemisphere and south hemisphere, because it gives us seasons such as summer and winter. Okay, now on next page. On next page we have, I know that the earth spins and orbits at the same time. Yes, it spins and orbits the sun, spins the axis. I understand that how we get summer and winter. Okay, because of the equator.
Mister, can I answer this question?
Yes, you can. Why not? Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, and all planets in our solar system. Name the other 3 planets. Hint:
Mister,
they
I know
spell
them.
sun.
Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Okay, that's good. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, these are 3 planets left. So there are 8, 3 left. Okay. What is the name of the atmosphere? Sorry. What is the name of astronomer who proved that the use of telescope, that the sun, not the earth, was the center of the solar system? That was, yes, hint. I gave you hint. Yes, anybody? Galileo. Nobody gave the answer. Galileo was the astronomer. What is the shape of the earth? Give 2 pieces of evidence to support this. Yes, who will give me answer for this? The shape of the earth is what?
Circle.
Spherical. The earth is
Circle.
the earth is sphere. There are many images taken from the space from different sources. This is the evidence. Okay. The earth is sphere. Sphere means like a ball. There are many images taken from the space from different sources. Okay. Then we have explanations. I know why the earth is the only planet in the solar system to support life, because there is water, air, atmosphere, I mean, the balanced things to have to support life. There is water, oxygen, and to grow, and the earth which supports to grow also. Then I understand that the sun is at the center of the solar system and other planets are arranged in inner and outer orbits. Yes, I showed you on page 116. I know what shape of the earth is. Yes, it is sphere. I can explain how scientists can prove that the earth is not flat. Yes, because they have taken a lot of images from the space and
Mister,
also videos. Yes, Mustafa.
the first I know why the Earth is the only planet in the solar system to support life.
Yes.
It's in page what?
It's not on page. We are talking about why the earth sports because we have water, oxygen. Okay. So that's
Okay,
why
thank
if the other planets maybe there is no water, no oxygen to sport. That's why the Earth is sporting life. Okay.
Okay,
We leave some pages because we have to complete our curriculum. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. Finish it quickly and then we can finish our lesson today.
Mr. I am not finished.
Okay, Malik, you can leave, no problem.
Mr. Faisal Fahad finished.
Okay, goodbye, Faisal.
Goodbye. Mr. I am finished.
Okay.
Mr. Said finished, sir.
Okay, just 1 second. Let me say your names again. Abdulaziz Masaid Majood.
Said, I am finished. No,
Abdullah
I
Fahad.
think he is
Yeah, Mr. I am finished.
Abdullah Fahad absent. Abdulaziz Masaid absent. Abdullah Ali Al Qadri Majood. Okay. Abdullah Faisal Saad Al Bogami. Asaf Walid. Basil Mazen. Battal Badr. Battal Badr Majood. I think I saw him. Okay. Battal Badr absent. Then Faisal Fahad Azwebi Majood. Okay. Jassar absent. Mustafa is present now. Wafi Ahmed and Yahya. These are all absentees for today. Okay, boys, thank you. Goodbye. See you next time.
Goodbye, sir. See you next time.
Goodbye.